All right, guys. All right, look here now. We got our C-frame on and ready to go to work on it. Don't make fun of my floor. I got some dirt over there underneath my little thing there, my pin. So don't make fun of me. I'm gonna get it off of there. I'm gonna show y'all the easy way to remove them. Okay? Let's do this right quick. Let me set y'all up here. You watch this. I guarantee you. I've showed y'all in my previous videos and showed you. You know? Anytime, I don't care what impact you use a lot. You know, I used it over 3/4 earlier. And I didn't tap on them, that's kind of tough. Look here. Take you something small, okay? Take you something small. This is a little bit of hammer, ain't much to it, all right? You torque pretty tight. All I'm doing, and there's a science behind that. You can use anything you want to use. You know what I'm saying? Anything you want to use. It ain't got to be that yellow style right there. You know, I ain't getting paid. I ain't gonna use anything. Now your pin. Sometimes your pins can be a little stubborn. This ain't taking grease, so it probably gonna push out too hard. All right, but here's what I want you to try. No heat, no nothing. All right, you watch this. Pay attention. Now this is my way. You do it your way. I do it my way. You don't like my way, you ain't got to do it. Just okay. I tell you right now, you take a hammer away from me, we in trouble. You do it your way, I do it my way. Come on. Watch this shit now. Come on. Come on. Huh? Come on with it. You know what I'm saying? Let me grab a little. I don't know if yeah, he might come on out. Come on. Look at there. Look at there. Come on with it. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing to it. You know, this stuff here, messing with it for a long time. And man, I tell you what, that pin wasn't just gonna come out of there either. Holy cow. It wasn't just gonna come out. Now another thing you can do, if it don't wanna move, okay? Instead of heating the whole thing up, burning it up. Don't worry, I have my gloves on, take them off so I can show you. You can heat the surface, okay? And if it's any way possible, get you some rags, freeze them or whatever, put some ice in them, and hit that pin with it. That pin will shrink and knock it out. That works. It'll work. Your fast shrink always works. It always works. But anyway, let me got my light right here. Let's look and see how this thing was. You think that pin was gonna be easy to come out of there? Come on. I don't know if you can see all the mess in there or not. But anyway, this thing is it's pretty grunched up hole. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't gonna come out there easy. But you get things love taps, okay? And I mean, look at this thing. I got my floor dirty again. Believe it or not, we're a Caterpillar world-class facility. Okay? Yeah. mess right there. It's a bit messy.